Research shows that spending time in nature can have profound effects on mental well-being. One compelling study revealed that participants who took a 90-minute walk in natural surroundings reported lower levels of rumination and anxiety. This was echoed by Rachel, who shared how her weekend hikes helped her manage her depression, feeling revitalized by the fresh air and serene landscapes. Experts suggest incorporating regular nature walks into your routine as a way to reconnect and recharge your mind. Additionally, nature therapy programs are emerging, providing structured environments that blend therapeutic practices with the great outdoors. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, step outside. Nature could be your greatest ally in fostering mental wellness.